asked them, "What are you discussing together as you walk along?" And they stood still, their faces downcast, and I could hear their voices in this moment. One of them, named Cleopas, he explained. He said, "Hey, are you the only one visiting Jerusalem who does not know the things that have happened in these days?" And really? "What things?" Jesus asked. "About Jesus of Nazareth," they replied. "He was a prophet, powerful in the word and deed before God and all the people. And the chief priests, our rulers, handed him over to be sentenced to death. They crucified him." I could see them relating what happened the weekend. But we hoped that he was the one who was going to redeem Israel. And what is more, this is the third day since all this took place. Why do they say that? Because Jesus said he'll rise on the third day. But man, listen, he said this is the third day since it took place. And in addition, some of our women amazed us. They went to the tomb early this morning, but they didn't find his body. They came and told us they had seen a vision of angels who said he was alive. Can you believe it, that he was alive? And some of us, don't worry, we got this. Some of us actually went to check it out. Some of our companions went to the tomb and found it just as the woman had said. But they did not see Jesus.